Hey there, welcome back to my channel where today, I'm going to show you how to build a line-following robot without coding. Yes, you heard that right, no coding needed. This one's perfect for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. First things first, let's talk about the components you'll need. Grab a pen and paper and let's jot this down. You'll need 1. 2 DC motors with wheels. 2. Motor driver module. 1. Infrared sensors, IR sensors. 1. A chassis for your robot. 1. A battery holder and batteries. 1. Jumper wires and a breadboard. 7. A switch. Alright, let's dive into the circuit diagram. Imagine the chassis as the backbone of our robot. We mount the 2 DC motors on either side of the chassis, giving our robot mobility. Next, we connect our motor driver module to these motors. The motor driver will act as the brain, controlling the movement. Now, our IR sensors. These are the eyes of our robot. Place 2 IR sensors at the front of the chassis. Position them so they can detect the line. Connect these sensors to the motor driver. Here's the trick. When the sensor detects a black line, it sends a signal to the motor driver, telling the motors to move forward. If it doesn't detect the line, the robot will stop or turn until it finds the line again. Power it all up with the battery holder and connect a switch for easy on-off. Simple, right? Okay, it's time to see this baby in action. Place your robot on a track with a black line. Make sure the line is bold and contrasts well with the background. Turn on the switch and watch your robot go. It's all about the sensors detecting the line and the motor driver directing the wheels. Now you might be wondering, are there other methods to build a line-following robot without coding? Absolutely. You can use analog circuits with operational amplifiers to achieve similar results. Another method is using ready-made robot kits available in the market that come with pre-programmed microcontrollers. These kits need minimal assembly and no coding, making them super beginner-friendly. So there you have it. A line-following robot that doesn't require any coding. It's a fantastic project for beginners and a fun way to get into the world of robotics. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects. Until next time, happy building.